part of a project that gives opportunities for rising stars and newbies to make it in showbiz?
Hello, good afternoon po. Thank you for the question. As a starter, as someone who's new in this industry, syempre, I feel very grateful. First of all, to be part of the show called Vibe. It's very exciting. It's a very exciting variety show project for TV Vibe. And I'm also very happy and excited for yung mga artists natin, especially mga OPM artists. Kasi sila yung hina-highlight ng variety show na to. And maliban na sa mga established artists, yung mga baguhan din sa mga gumagawa ng OPM music. It's a great opportunity for them to share their stories, through music, through performing, and this show is gonna help a lot of people, a lot of artists, and yun po ang abangan nyo sa TV5.
First time mo ba mag-video?
Yes po, for a variety show, yes po.
Ayun, ang sino yung mga nilook forward mo na stars na na-invite or na-interview sa
Interview, well, kasi lately, I've been listening to a lot of mga genre nila, Earl, nila Arthur, nila Andy. So, interesting siya if I'll be doing an interview with them. They're doing like jocks, co-jocks. And kasi yung nagawa ko sa yung last one is similar to that genre. So, it'd be very interesting to interview those types of artists. But of course, lahat naman kami open to interview varieties of genres, which is very interesting din sa audience namin. But they get some knowledge and understand about yung mga behind the scenes or processes nila as an artist.
So, last question. Walo kayo nag-walk sa show. Ikaw, anong klaseng vibe or persona ba yung i-bring mo into the theater for this project?
Yung vibe? Well, kanya-kanya kasi kami we all have different personalities. Lahat po kami, may kanya-kanyang kulit, lahat kami masayahin. So, as much as possible, syempre we want vibe to be very energetic, playful, and talagang maipakita namin yung mga personality ng bawat artist. So, ako siguro, be more, mas energetic and relatable sa audiences natin. Yun po.
Thank you so much. We have another question. Thank you so much. Hi, John Dylan. We have here one in front.
Hey, my congratulations everyone. Okay, my question for you. Yes. And kasi ikaw you started with being a contestant. And then your career was shaped by the voice of the audience. Kaya ka na where you are right now. Paano mo i-relate yung experience na yun with what will happen in
Thank you so much. Talagang nag-provoke pa tayo tungkol sa past ko. So, okay, how can I relate to here? I guess back then I had the opportunity because of the fans who voted for me. But now, we're also going to give the fans who will vote for their favorite movement artist now. So they can be showcased into our show at ipakita yung mga talent nila, just like the way I did before. So now I'm giving them a new opportunity to showcase their talent and their music to our show. And I'm sure there's so many great OPM artists, especially mga bata ngayon, galing-galing nila, talino nila, sobrang talented nila, and then now this platform is for them.
So ano ba to? Like, will you have also like jobs, opportunity to perform alongside with the artist that will be voted? Or parang dito ko, sinong bet ng makalugat yan? Ano ba?
Tama naman. I guess, depende rin sa schedule ng mga artists who are available to come to our show. At kung sino man vibe jobs available din, we get a chance to perform with them, either through singing, dancing, or other form of performance like that. So again, it's a collaborative performance with them. It's a nice way to get to know and be with the artist.
And lastly, as a vibe job, what do you want to discover about yourself in entering this kind of job?
Well, sa akin naman, this is a new experience for me. Totally new experience. Is to be hosting among these amazing vibe jobs. Back then, I used to do it for online shows, stuff like that. But now it's gonna be one of the daily shows here at TV5. I'm excited to do that with these guys right here. Thank you, Albert.
Alright. Thank you so much. Alright, Jock. So we have 1 year, sir.
Yeah. Now my question, of course, is for Maxi. Okay, I'm going to this is pretty big for a person like you, not just because you're representing the sports community, but you're also doing this. I mean, you're the first one to ever do this. Parang gano'n. Does it make you more of have a responsibility to represent it well? Lalo na medyo kakaiba itong work natin yan.
I don't feel like it is my responsibility. I feel like I'm more proud na meron someone from my community to represent them. And I feel like sobrang bait and sobrang talino ng vibe production na meron silang include na someone from the community to represent the representative. Yeah.
What kind of host are you now that you're going to be part of this program?
I think I'm a straight.
Of course. But are you going to be in drag like full time? Is that what's going to happen?
Sometimes the drag walk or sometimes as sometimes may mga panahon kasi natulog na talaga ako. Ang ganda yun, tulog ako. So dapat next week, hindi. Pero may mga times ko na ako. Depende sa program, depende sa way ko. For that yun.
For that Thank you. Congratulations.
Thank you po!
Thank you, Vibe Maxi. Next question. Anyone here?
Hello, for Paula and kay Ryan. Since kayo yung may matagal na experience sa variety shows, ano yung masasabi niyo? Sorry. Ano yung masasabi niyo na different sa vibe sa mga variety shows today?
Comment po kayo tungkol sa ito.
Hindi naman sa experience.
Well, comment regarding vibe, yes, this year actually, with the 10 years anniversary of Hashtag, we were launched sa Showtime, Rewind the Kita, 10 years later. So, yes, me and Paolo, we have experience, along with Anna, of course, may experience with hosting Showtime, and online, handled by Sergey actually, of course. So, it's going to be a little similar, but vibe is an entirely different piece. Ibang iba siya sa nakasanayan namin before. Medyo nabibigyan kami, oh guys, this is a bit more, a bit more upscale. This is a bit more social, you know? Kasi syempre, ang dami natin guests na medyo mas esteemed, medyo mas tayo, more artsy. More on the art side tayo. Not so much on the showbiz anymore. Medyo more on the art. Highlight art.
Yun, kahit pa maaaring naman, ganyan sabi rin, experience na rin talaga. Pero sa part ko naman, ang experience ko kasi before talaga, online hosting. So, itong vibe, different sa akin kasi first time ko mag-post talaga as TV host. So, for sure naman nagkakaroon talaga sa akin, pero at least that before na-practice na rin namin kahit pa sa akin. And ang work naman namin dito rin talaga kung sa pag-post is to promote OPM work.
Thank you. For everyone, curious lang kasi medyo iba-iba kayo from may drag, merong mga bago, merong from independent kitchen si Elijah. Paano yung dynamics ng group? Anyone can answer. Sorry.
Dynamics. Actually, yung first time pala namin talaga magkita-kita, ang gaan yung pagkagdaw namin. Ako na or five. Ako lang. For me, magaan. And I feel like yung dynamic namin talaga magiging masaya. Alam mo yun, parang hindi pa nga nagsisimula
more, di ba? Pag nagsimula na yung vibe. So, yan yung dapat yung abangan. Bukod sa, of course, i-highlight namin yung OPM, syempre, makikita nyo yung iba namin personality. Pagsasama-samahin sa isang stage. And talagang sabog. Sabog. Magpapasabog lahat and magpapasayahin sa lahat.
I disagree with that.
Ay, gano'n! Grabe ko sa
Anyone ba? Dynamics.
Hindi ko pwede sabihin.
Galing mo dun ah. Ano ba, dynamics? Feel ko ang big factor dito mga batang pa kasi kami. We're all in the same group. Same age group somehow. Diba? Pagdating sa mga biruan, sa mga music, sa mga taste, sa culture, we're all, you know, we're all at the same level. We understand the joke and stuff. Especially when it comes to music also, we like the same type of music. So I guess this is gonna show it into our show talaga at ipakita rin sa mga fan at sa mga mananood. Thank you so much, Red Rocks.